Hello guys, what's up? So, kind of a bummer, I'm not going to be able to get a new camera. Yeah, it's just not going to end up working out. So, kind of a bummer on that scale. And if you guys believe me, you're really stupid, because I just went like that, and that, which means I have a new camera. Yeah, I do. I really do. Yeah, so I got Sony the A3, and I got it for a real steal. Like, it was amazing. So these retail for around $600 in America, and I got it for around $200. Just kidding, guys. But yeah, I did get it for $200 for my friend Spencer. He's the one who films FS. I think I showed you that. His channel, Spencer is Right. I bought it from him because he just needed it going. He didn't need it. He has a VX. So yeah, I bought it. Yeah. Oh, and if you're wondering what that is, it's my little cousin. She's just in here chilling. But yeah, so this video is to let you know that, and to let you know this is going to be for sale. There's a video called For Jimmy, and yeah, just check out that video, because that's what you'll get, just minus the handle, because I'm still going to need the handle to, like, film and stuff, so, yeah. Yeah, so, offer up, I really would rather sell it. But if you offered me, like, an amazing trade, or, like, Supreme hats, or, I don't know, I might take it. So, offer on that. So, I'll just make this video named Camera Sale / Camera Update. And, yeah. This is my first video with this camera, so I'm not expecting anything great. I'm still getting used to all, like, the aperture and, like, all that stuff and the shutter speed. So, this video probably won't be that great of quality. Like, it's going to still be better than this, but the colors are just not going to be right. Because also on this camera, I had it set for, like, ready to go, and there's not technically a video mode. You just press record. And I had it all set and it looked good. Then I pressed record and it changed. I was like, oh, okay. Yeah. I got a fisheye for it too, see? I'm just going to tape this on here. That's trying to focus to it. I'm not stupid. But yeah, I got it for a really good deal. Couldn't pass it up. Oh, see, like right there? Like, that's such good quality compared to my other computer. I'm in camera like this. Look at my eye. Look at it. But yeah, I got it for a really good deal. Yeah. As you can tell, it's a lot higher quality than my other one. Even the one I did the HD test on with my grandma's, this is so much better. Like, I'm not going to have a fisheye right away, so it's going to be just like clips of like, just like simple clips for now. Like, nothing too great. Yeah. I gotta deal with this baby real quick. So that's about it, guys. Hit me up with what you can offer on my camera, and I gotta go. Bye.